Hi guys, my name's Becca and I work here at the outlet in Kittery, Maine. Today when I came in, leadership told me that I was nominated to go to SeaWheeze and I'm so excited, but I only have 2 hours to make this video. I'm so excited I took a shower today. So follow me into my surfboard tour and we'll check out my goals as well. Here's our women's section. Over here is Cash. Let's go look at my goals. So, as you can see in my 5-year goals, I have to visit the Vancouver Lululemon and also run SeaWheeze. How awesome would it be if this 5-year goal could be completed in 1 year? Let's finish our tour and then I'll show you some pictures of things I like to do. In the back, we have the man cave. Come on now, share with her. And then we have our awesome fitting room. And here, enjoy some of my photos that I'd like to share with you.
I wanna follow where she goes. I think about her and she knows it. I wanna let it take control. 'Cause every time that she gets closer, she pulls me in enough to keep me guessing. And maybe I should stop and start confessing, yeah. Oh, I've been shaking, I love it when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions, baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions, baby, there's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back. She says that she's never afraid. Just picture everybody naked. She really doesn't like to wait.